Chapter 1. The Whispering Wind. In the grand kingdom of Luminara, where golden butterflies danced with the breeze and every flower hummed a tune, lived a little princess named Barbie. She had sparkling blue eyes, hair like threads of sunshine, and a heart full of wonder. Princess Barbie loved exploring her castle garden and reading books of magical lands. But there was something she always dreamed of, a secret magical journey, a real one, beyond the stories in her books. One day, as Barbie was playing by the shimmering lily pond, she heard a soft whisper in the wind. It wasn't an ordinary breeze. This one seemed to call her name. Barbie, follow the light. She looked around. There was no one. But suddenly, a small glowing butterfly flew past her and stopped midair. Its wings sparkled in 7 colors. "Where are you going?" Barbie whispered. The butterfly fluttered in circles and then zoomed toward the old ivy-covered gate at the edge of the castle garden. Barbie followed. Chapter 2. The Hidden Door. Barbie had never seen the gate open before. But as she reached it, the vines curled away, revealing a secret door made of crystal and stardust. At the center was a glowing keyhole. To her surprise, her necklace, gifted by her mother, began to shine. The pendant took shape and floated into the keyhole. Click! The door opened with a gentle hum, revealing a spiral staircase that led downward, glowing with soft lights and stars. Barbie's heart raced with excitement. This is it, my magical journey. Chapter 3. The Forest of Whimsy. At the end of the staircase, Barbie found herself in the Forest of Whimsy. The trees had rainbow-colored trunks, and the leaves shimmered like jewels. Creatures she had only read about danced around, tiny giggleberries, singing fireflies, and wise owls with glasses. A creature with bunny ears and butterfly wings landed on her shoulder. "Welcome, Princess Barbie. I'm Twinkle, your guide," the creature said with a happy squeak. "Guide? Where am I?" "You're in the magical realms. A place only true dreamers can enter. But something is wrong here. The crystal of harmony is missing. And the land is losing its magic." Barbie gasped. "Can I help find it?" Twinkle nodded. "Only a heart as pure as yours can." And so began Barbie's secret mission. Chapter 4. The Path of Echoes. Twinkle led Barbie to the Path of Echoes, where every step you took repeated the sounds of your thoughts. As they walked, Barbie heard her own voice whisper, "You are brave. You are kind. You can do it." "Is that me?" Barbie asked. Twinkle smiled. "Yes. The path shows your true self. It helps remind you who you are." Suddenly, they reached a fork in the road. One path was dark and stormy. The other glowed with golden lights. Barbie chose the stormy path. "Why this one?" Twinkle asked nervously. "Because I believe the crystal wouldn't be hidden where things are easy." And she was right. Chapter 5. The Valley of Fog. They entered the Valley of Fog, where nothing could be seen more than a few steps ahead. But Barbie held onto Twinkle's paw and walked with courage. Soon, a deep growl echoed. A shadow beast appeared, tall and scary, made of swirling black mist. "You shall not pass unless you answer this riddle," it roared. "I shine without flame. I guide the lost. I dance in the sky, but vanish at dawn. What am I?" Barbie thought hard and then smiled. "You are a star." The beast howled and vanished into sparkles. The fog lifted, and they saw a bridge of crystal ahead. Chapter 6. The Bridge of Dreams. As Barbie stepped onto the bridge, she saw dreams floating below. children laughing, unicorns flying, lands made of candy. She paused. "Are these real?" she asked. "They are the dreams of the world," Twinkle replied. "The crystal of harmony connects them all. That's why it must be found." They crossed the bridge, and a golden owl named Olio awaited them. "You're almost there, princess," he said. "But to reach the crystal, you must visit 3 magical lands and collect a piece of the star map from each." Barbie nodded with determination. Chapter 7, Land 1, The Sky Meadows. Barbie's first stop was the Sky Meadows, where clouds grew like cotton flowers and Pegasus ponies grazed in the sky. She met Princess Zephyra, the cloud guardian. "Our skies are losing light," Zephyra said. "The crystal's absence dims our world." Barbie helped Zephyra and her cloud ponies gather song seeds to light up the sky again. In return, Zephyra gave Barbie the first piece of the star map, a glowing shard of sky crystal. "Thank you for your courage," she said. Chapter 8, Land 2, The Ocean of Lullabies. Next, Barbie and Twinkle dove into the Ocean of Lullabies, where whales sang songs that made stars twinkle at night. They met Queen Coralie, a mermaid with hair like the moon. "The ocean tides are wild," she said. "Without the crystal, even lullabies have turned to silence." Barbie sang with the whales, her sweet voice calming the waves. Her song restored the lullabies. Queen Coralie gifted Barbie the second piece of the star map, a pearl that shimmered with music. Chapter 9, Land 3, The Mountain of Time. The final land was the Mountain of Time, where giant clocks ticked backward and forward. At the summit, Barbie met Elder Tark, a wise old timekeeper. "Time is unraveling without the crystal," he warned. To fix it, Barbie had to solve a puzzle maze of time riddles. With patience and clever thinking, she succeeded. Elder Tark gave her the final piece of the star map, a golden gear glowing with timeless magic. Chapter 10, The Return to the Crystal Cavern. With the full star map assembled, a glowing path appeared. Barbie followed it to the Crystal Cavern, hidden inside a silver mountain. Inside, the crystal of harmony floated above a dark pedestal. But just as Barbie reached for it, a shadowy figure appeared, the sorceress of silence, who had stolen the crystal. "You cannot take it," she hissed. "The world needs silence." Barbie stood firm. "The world needs balance, light and dark, sound and silence, joy and calm. But not only silence." Her voice echoed with power. The sorceress paused, and then melted into a swirl of light, freed from the darkness. Barbie placed her hands on the pedestal. The crystal of harmony glowed brightly, rising high. A burst of magical light swept across the realms, restoring life, music, dreams, and time. Chapter 11, The Farewell Feast. The lands rejoiced. Princess Zephyra, Queen Coralie, Elder Tark, and all the magical creatures came together to celebrate. Barbie was crowned guardian of the realms for her bravery and kindness. "Thank you for believing in magic," Twinkle whispered. Chapter 12, Back to the Garden. With a hug goodbye, Barbie stepped back through the crystal door. It closed behind her, and the vines returned. She found herself in her garden, the butterfly still glowing on her finger. Was it all real? Then she noticed her necklace. It now had a tiny crystal star, softly glowing. She smiled. Some journeys are secret, but their magic lasts forever.